you can earn $1,000, $3,000, and even $5,000 to $10,000 paydays. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 10 legit ways to make money and passive income online. Before we get into that, my number one recommendation to make money online is actually going to be the first link in the description or the link in my bio. So click that if you want to know my number one recommendation and kind of just skip to the good stuff. Now let's get right into it. But before I actually get started, there's a big problem when it comes to searching how to find out how to make money online. There's a lot of misinformation out there. There's so many quote unquote gurus out there teaching bullcrap. They're literally gonna go and point you in the wrong direction, especially if you're on YouTube. There's a lot of people teaching because it's a free platform and they don't even know what the heck they're talking about. So not only am I going to show you 10 ways to make money online, but also who to trust and where to learn. So let's dig in. The first one is a freelancer. So a freelancer is self-employed and is not committed to a certain employer long term. Freelancer could be a graphic designer, a virtual assistant, a web designer, and so on. One thing I like to say is that all skill sets are not created equal. For example, a graphic designer or a web designer might get paid more than a virtual assistant. So the higher demand for your skill set and the more or less people you're competing with, right, the more you can get actually paid, right? Supply and demand. And how you're gonna monetize that, how you're gonna make money is basically create a appealing profile to attract clients and apply for related jobs. So where are you gonna create a profile? Basically, how to get started is creating a free account with Fiverr or Upwork. Basically, these are two platforms that are good for freelancers if you want to go ahead and go onto these platforms and actually create your own profile, apply for jobs, or even just create an appealing profile to get people attracted to you and hire you so that way you can work on your own terms. Number two is consulting, basically getting people to pay you for expert advice. So examples is a marketing consultant, getting people to pay you for your marketing advice, branding consultant, relationship consultant, and so on. And again, all skill sets are not created equal. For example, if I'm a business consultant compared to a relationship consultant, you can justify paying me more as a business consultant because I'm going to give you a return on your investment and not just help you with your relationship. So keep that in mind when it comes to which niche you want to pick when it comes to consulting. How you're going to make money is basically charging clients one time or on a retainer, which is basically a monthly rate. So there's some type of consultants where you charge people literally $1,000 a month, right? It just all depends on which niche you decide to go into. And how to get started, I'd recommend Sam Ovens at consulting.com. I'm not getting paid to endorse this. I just personally paid for the actual course. And this is probably one of the best courses I've ever taken, right? He owns consulting.com, so probably a good sign to learn from him when it comes to consulting. Next, number three is social media marketing agency. Basically, a social media marketing agency is getting paid to create, manage, and distribute content on social media for businesses or increase sales and revenue for companies through the use of paid advertising. So the two main ones, right, is social media management and social media marketing. So an example of social media marketing could be Facebook, Instagram, Google, and YouTube ads. So you can run ads, right? So basically some sort of agency where you're either managing their content and distributing it or actually running ads for their company to generate them more business or to build their brand awareness as a business. And how you're gonna monetize that? Basically getting clients to pay you a monthly retainer, whether that's $500 a month, $1,000 per month, $2,000 per month, or even high ticket corporate clients that'll be willing to pay $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 per month. And how to get started, I'd recommend Ty Lopez, which is right here, social media marketing agency, and Dan Henry can teach you how to actually create a Facebook advertisement agency. Again, I don't get paid to recommend these people. However, I don't want you to go online trying to figure out which route to go and you really don't know who to actually trust, who to learn from. So these are both millionaire, actually 8-figure earners in their respective spaces. Number four is high ticket closing. So high ticket closing is a professional skill that helps companies and influencers close their premium products and services over the phone. So what does that mean? A company has products that they sell for $3,000 to $5,000 or even higher. Instead of them closing it, they're gonna go and generate the leads. They're gonna need somebody like you to hop on the phone for that scheduled appointment, show them how the product can actually help them solve their problem, and then when you close a sale, you get paid a commission. So examples could be closing for influencers, closing for coaches, closing for agencies, and so on. And basically the way you're gonna monetize this is getting paid a commission for each sale. So let's just say you're selling a $3,000 product and you get paid 10% commission. You could generate $300 for each sale. How to get started, I recommend Dan Lok. He's basically the king of high ticket sales. So you can literally just go to his website or follow him on YouTube, Dan Lok, and I'm pretty sure you'll find high ticket closing somewhere around there. If you want to go to learn this skill set, reach out to Dan Lok. Number 5 is a blogger, basically a person who creates written or video content. So examples is YouTube blogs, which is what I do, or a WordPress blog, which is written. And how to monetize that is you can go ahead and use affiliate offers, which are products that you did not create. AdSense, which is basically letting Google display ads on your blogs or your YouTube content, and also merch, which is basically building an audience of people who know, like, and trust you on your blog or your YouTube channel and selling merchandise that is related to your actual channel. And how to get started, I'd recommend Neil Patel for WordPress blogging and Graham Stephan. He has 1.6 million subscribers on YouTube, and I've been following him since he's had about 100. So I've literally seen him go to 100,000 to 1.6 million YouTube subscribers in less than a year. And if you guys want to learn how to do that, right, he just launched a new course. You can click the link in his YouTube videos and you guys can learn that skill set. Number 6 is information products. So basically a person who packages and sells information. So examples is ebooks, courses, continuity programs. So what is a continuity program? That's basically when you pay monthly for like a monthly membership. And how you're gonna monetize that? Basically charging people one-time or monthly payments. So how to get started is Russell Brunson. Basically, he's the founder of ClickFunnels and Expert Secrets, which is a book that teaches you how to be an expert, how to package information, and how to resell it within that respective space. And his software will assist you in actually doing so. Number 7 is dropshipping. Dropshipping is when the retailer doesn't keep the goods in stock. So it's e-commerce. Basically, you're using the money from the customer's purchase on your website. Let's just say they buy a dog leash. Then I'm going to buy it from AliExpress and then ship the goods and take the spread. So I literally get to get the money before I even purchase the stock. So examples, guys, is basically creating a general store on Shopify, creating a niche-based store on Shopify, creating a print on demand, which is basically if I go ahead and have somebody buy a t-shirt, I'm not gonna go ahead and actually pay for the people to put the print on the t-shirt until they actually make the purchase. So that's why it's called print on demand, meaning print the actual product after the person makes the purchase. And basically how you're gonna go to monetize that, you get paid when a purchase is made from your website, but have to use a percentage of that revenue for your ads as well as your cost of goods. And how to get started, the Beast of Ecom is a personal friend of mine. He's an 8-figure ecom guy, meaning made over $10 million with e-commerce. And then King Com, he's also, I believe, an 8-figure ecom guy, and he's freaking crushing it. I've taken his course, and his course was amazing. So those two are basically 2 routes you guys can take. Literally search them on YouTube, buy their courses, so on and so forth. Number 8 is a day trader. So basically day trading is buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day. So it's not a long-term investment, it's literally buying and selling within a 24-hour period. So basically examples could be trading stocks, trading options, trading currency, which is the foreign exchange market, and so on. And how are you gonna monetize that? Basically you earn money when you make a successful trade and withdraw the profits from your brokerage account. So how to get started, basically we have QBanks, we have Blame Forex, and we have Ricky Gutierrez. Ricky Gutierrez actually has a YouTube channel. I believe Blame Forex has a YouTube channel as well. But you can follow them on Instagram. They all trade in different markets and they're all crushing it. So with that being said, those are people who you can actually trust to learn the skill set from, and I'll recommend buying their courses if you want to go ahead and learn to the next level. Number 9 is Fulfillment by Amazon, aka Amazon FBA. So you store your products in Amazon's fulfillment center and they pick, pack, and ship them, also providing customer service. So meaning, let's just say I wanted to go ahead and sell, first off, how are you gonna monetize it? You earn money after someone purchases your product from a listing on Amazon. So once they make a purchase, boom, you make the money. Examples are books, activewear, electronics. So let's just say I go ahead and buy $1,000 worth of activewear, they'll go ahead and store those leggings in their Amazon distribution or fulfillment center. And then once somebody makes a purchase from my listing, they're gonna go and actually ship it out for me, and they're gonna handle the customer service. So all I gotta do is buy the product, put up the listings on Amazon, and then when people make purchases, they ship it out for me and they do all the heavy lifting. And then how to get started, Tanner J. Fox, this guy on YouTube. And then we have Project Life Mastery on YouTube, Stephen James. These are two guys who are experts within the Amazon FBA space. So if you guys want trusted people to actually learn the skill set from, pick one of these guys and focus on one of these guys. Don't listen to all these other gurus who don't know what the heck they're talking about. And same goes with all the other gurus that I've mentioned here. These are all people you can trust and actually learn from. Number 10 is affiliate marketing, which is, again, I told you guys, if you guys wanted to wait till the end, my number one recommendation to make money online is basically getting paid to refer other people's products. So unlike Shopify, you get paid to refer other people's products, but you don't have to deal with shipping products. You don't have to deal with cost of goods. Unlike Amazon FBA, there's no upfront cost where I have to buy $1,000, $2,000 worth of inventory, so on and so forth. So I like this better than all of those, but that's just my personal biased opinion. And examples could be low ticket, to where you can go to ClickBank or JVZoo to find affiliate products, which is basically ClickBank or JVZoo.com. Mid-ticket could be selling $1,000 products on a webinar that somebody else created. So you drive somebody to a webinar, they attend the presentation, they sell a $1,000 product. Let's just say it's a 50% commission, you get paid $500. And high ticket is basically when coaches or closers, you generate leads for these people and they'll close high ticket packages for you that you did not create. But usually with those high ticket affiliate marketing programs, you have to actually purchase the product before you can promote it as an affiliate. But you can earn $1,000, $3,000, and even $5,000 to $10,000 paydays. So how do you monetize it? You basically get paid a commission when a sale is made. So how to get started, yours truly, Eric Ellis Jr. Simply type in Eric Ellis Jr. on Instagram, on YouTube, or any social media platform, and you can find me. Or go to my website, wolvesacademy.com, and you can learn more about what me and my company does and how we can teach you how to escape corporate slavery through affiliate marketing. With that being said, the 10 legit ways to make money online is a freelancer, consulting, a social media marketing agency, high ticket closer, blogger, info products, drop shipping, Amazon FBA, day trader, affiliate marketing. Pick one, invest into yourself, consume content, find one of those mentors, buy their courses, go all in, and escape corporate slavery and literally take your first steps towards financial freedom.